Everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about vacuum cleaners, but more importantly, not just the vacuum cleaners, what goes inside of them to help keep your room clean. I'm talking about bags and filters. So if you have a shop vac or even one of these canister ones that are uprights that don't have bags at all, even those have little filters in them to keep the any fine dust particles that don't get collected in the canister portion of it from coming back into the room. So you need to make sure you have a supply of those to replace them when the time comes. Now, a lot of the ones from the uprights are washable. You can take them out and wash them and stuff. But after a while, after washing all the dirt particles out of it, it wears away at the material and the holes get bigger and bigger, and the filters generally fall apart or just stop functioning. The dust comes right on through. But for your shop vacs, besides having the paper filter canister that goes on there inside, they also have bags for really fine particles and stuff like fireplace ash. You need to clean out the soot and ashes out of your fireplace. All right, so you may want to consider getting some of those as well, just for the specific need for real fine dust collection. All right. So think about it, look into it, decide whether you need it or not, and then act upon your decision. I'm not telling you what you have to get. I'm just giving you ideas here. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, and other things you might need, so you can live successfully and thrive. Why? Well, because you definitely don't want to end up like this.